Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time we are making a retirement card. I made this card by writing out Happy Retirement and using the font DJ Jar, and I have it under the pen setting. I then made the background that the words would go over by using the shape that's like a banner. And then to get the sun, I went to images and typed in sun. And there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different options. So I picked the one that I picked because it looks like it was going to be the easiest to cut and also the easiest to adhere onto the card, but was still fun. And then for the palm trees, I went to images again, looked up palm trees, and this one was a lot easier to find. It's right there. And then I searched hammock, and this one I had to modify, so I picked that third one, and what I did was went to the sidebar and I just hid the maroon color and used that. Then for the golf bag, I went to images once more and I looked up golf bag. And I picked the third one there. So all in all, pretty easy and turned out really cute. Once everything looked good, I went to make it, made sure everything looked good, made sure I had all of the colors right, and then once that all looked all good, I went to have the Cricut cut it out. I then laid out everything in the order in which it was going to be cut. Once everything was done getting cut out, I laid it all out. Now in assembling the card, I first did the blue background and I ripped the tan to make it kind of look like natural sand, how it ends and how it goes with the flow. And then following the images, I glued the light green onto the back of the dark green and attached it to the palm trees. Once all that was all glued together, I used dimensionals to boost the palm trees and the happy retirement and the sun. And there you have it, a happy retirement card fit for anybody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I will be posting a link to this design in the description below. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.